Solution to problem number 1. Now, given differential equation is dy by dx equal to x square plus y square divided by xy. This is a homogeneous equation. We are supposed to solve the equation by taking y equal to vx. If you take y equal to vx, we can get dy by dx equal to v plus x dv by dx. Now, if I substitute y equal to vx and dy by dx equal to this, dv plus x dv by dx equal to, in place of x we should not write anything, but in place of y we should write vx. So x square into 1 plus v square divided by, we can write vx square. This will get cancelled. Now if you separate this, v plus x dv by dx equal to 1 by v plus v. V will get cancelled on both sides. If v gets cancelled on both sides, we can get v dv is equal to dx by x. So after integrating, and we can get the condition v square by 2 is equal to log x dx. And after eliminating that, we can get the solution e power y square by 2x square is equal to cx we can get. To problem number 2. Now, given differential equation dy by dx is equal to y by x plus tan y by x. So we take y equal to vx. If I take y equal to vx, obviously we should get dy by dx equal to v plus x dv by dx. And if I substitute this and that, you can get v plus x dv by dx equal to v plus tan v. Now v will get cancelled on both sides, and we can get integral cot v dv equal to integral dx by x. Integral cot v is log sin v, integral dx is log x. So after writing the formula, you can get log sin v is equal to log x plus log c. We can write that as log cx. So we can write this particular one as sin y by x equal to cx. It is asked to find the value of sin y by x. So you can get sin y by x value equal to 6. Solution to problem number 3. Now given differential equation y square dx equal to minus of x square minus xy plus y square dy. Now we write the differential equation in the form of dx by dy is equal to minus x square by y square, which can be written as x by y whole square, minus of minus plus xy by y square, which can be written as x by y, minus y square and y square you can get cancelled, and you can get that. Here we take the substitution x equal to vy. If you take the substitution x equal to vy, you can get dx by dy equal to v plus y dv by dy. Now substitute that v plus y dv by dy equal to, this will be equal to minus v square, this is equal to v, and that is equal to minus 1. This v and v will get cancelled. So we separate the variables so that we can get dv by 1 plus v square is equal to minus dy by y. By integrating, this will be equal to tan inverse v. By integrating, this will be equal to log y. So we can get the equation in the form of the solution in the form of tan inverse of x by y. There you can get minus log y plus c equal to 0, which is the solution for the problem. Or given differential equation. We can write the given differential equation as dy by dx is equal to y by x plus cos square y by x. And as usual, we write y equal to vx. If you write y equal to vx, you can get dy by dx equal to v plus x dv by dx. So v plus x dv by dx equal to v plus cos square v. V will get cancelled. So if you interchange the terms, we can get integral secant square v dv equal to integral dx by x. And integral secant square v is tan v. Tan v is equal to log x plus log c. So we can write tan y by x equal to log cx, which is the solution for the problem. To problem number 5. Given differential equation. dy by dx equal to y by x minus 1 by sin y by x. So as usual, we write y equal to vx. This implies we can get dy by dx equal to v plus x dy by dx. And if you substitute that, we can get v plus x dv by dx equal to v minus 1 by sin vx, mean y by x. Y by x can be substituted as v. Now v will get cancelled. Integral minus sin v dv is equal to dx by x. Integral sin v is cos v. So we can get the value as v can be substituted as y by x. Cos y by x equal to cx, which is the solution for the problem. Question 2. Problem number 6. Slope of the curve is given. Slope of curve dy by dx is given as y by x plus secant y by x. This is a homogeneous differential equation. So we write y equal to vx. As usual, we can get dy by dx is equal to v plus x dv by dx. And substitute this in the respective part. We can get v plus x dv by dx equal to v plus secant v will get. This v will get cancelled. So we can get the condition integral cos v dv is equal to integral dx by x. And after integrating, you can get this as sin v. And after substituting, you can get sin y by x is equal to log x plus log c. This passes through 1 comma pi by 6. Therefore log c equal to 1 by 2. Therefore curve is Sin y by x is equal to sin y by x is equal to log x. Because log c is 1 by 2, you can get that as 1 by 2. Solution to problem number 7. Given differential equation. dy by dx equal to x square minus y square divided by minus 2x. So v plus x dv by dx is equal to, after writing it v as yx, we can get x square into 1 minus v square divided by, and we can get this as minus 2v into x square. This x square will get cancelled. Take this number to that side. So x dv by dx, you can get this as minus 1 minus, this is minus v, you can get plus 2v square, you can get minus of 1 plus v square divided by 2v. And after simplifying, you can get this as 2v by 1 plus v square integral dv is equal to minus integral dx by x. This is log of 1 plus v square plus log x equal to log c. Passes through 1 comma 1. So we can get c value, log c equal to 2. If you substitute that, we can get log of 2 plus log 1 is equal to log c. From this you can get c equal to 2. So the equation will be x square plus y square minus 2x equal to 0. This represents a circle with radius 1 unit. Solution to problem number 8. dy by dx equal to x plus y divided by x. So as we write v equal to x dv, v plus x dv by dx, y equal to vx we write, so that we can get like this 1 plus v. This v will get cancelled on both sides. So integral dv is equal to integral dx by x. Integral dv is v is equal to y by x, so you can get y by x is equal to log x plus log k. Given y of 1 equal to 2, y of 1 equal to 1, I am sorry. So if I write this, you can get log k is equal to 1. So that implies you can get y equal to x log x plus x is the solution. Solution to problem number 9. Given equation. X into cos y by x into y dx plus x dy equal to y sin y by x into x dy minus y dx. See, after collecting all the terms of dy on one side and all the terms of dx on other side, we can get the differential equation in the form of dy by dx is equal to xy cos y by x plus y square sin y by x divided by xy sin y by x minus x square cos y by x. And after substituting y equal to vx, we can get, after simplification, put y equal to vx and dy by dx is equal to v plus x dv by dx. After simplification, we can get x dv by dx value is obtained as 2v cos v divided by v sin v minus cos v. Now, after applying variable separable method, we can get this particular value as like this: v sin v minus cos v divided by 2v cos v dv is equal to dx by x. After integrating and we simplify, after simplifying and integrating, we can get xy cos y by x equal to c. And after adjusting the constant, we can get cxy into cos y by x is equal to 1. Because this c can be written here 1 by c. 1 by c is again constant. You can get the answer like this. Solution to problem 10. So, given differential equation, dy by dx is equal to y by x into log y minus log x, that is given. We can write that as log y by x plus 1. And in place of dy by dx, we write v plus x dv by dx, and we take y equal to vx. We can get dy by dx is equal to v plus x dv by dx. And if you substitute that, v plus x dv by dx is equal to y by x can be written as v log v plus v. Now v will get cancelled and we can get the integration. After integrating, we can get this as log of log v is equal to log x plus log c. And if you eliminate logarithm on both sides, we can get this value log v is equal to log cx. In place of v, if you substitute y by x, you can get log y by x equal to cx. Problem number 11. Given differential equation, dy by dx is equal to y square by xy minus x. To make simplification easy, I am writing dx by dy. Xy minus x square divided by y square. Here we write x equal to vy and dx by dy is equal to v plus y dv by dy. And after simplifying and using everything there, we can get v plus y dv by dy is equal to v minus v square. We can get v gets cancelled. Getting this v square to this side, that means minus v square to this side. After integrating, you can get 1 by v is equal to log cy we can get. And v can be written as x by y. So if you write that, you can get e power y by x is equal to cy. It is given as ky or cy. No problem, because that is a constant. We can write either c or k. No problem. Problem number 12. Given differential equation, dy by dx is equal to 3x minus y plus 7 divided by x minus 7y minus 3. Coefficient of x in the denominator plus coefficient of y in the numerator equal to 0. This can be solved by proper grouping of the terms. So after grouping of the terms, I will get the x dy minus 7y dy minus 3 dy equal to 3x dx minus y dx plus 7 dx. Then get all the terms to one side. 3x dx minus of x dy plus y dx plus 7y dy plus 7 dx plus 3 dy equal to 0. Integrating on both sides, we can get 3x square by 2 minus xy plus 7y square by 2 plus 7x plus 3y is equal to k. So if you take LCM, we can get this as 3x square minus 2xy plus 7y square plus 14x plus 6y equal to k. This is the answer for the problem. To problem 30. Now given differential equation dy by dx equal to x minus y plus 3 divided by 2x minus 2y plus 5. Here coefficient of x in the numerator by coefficient of x in the denominator, coefficient of y in the numerator by coefficient of y in the denominator are same. So for this case, we are taking the substitution x minus y equal to v. From this, 1 minus dy by dx equal to dv by dx. So we can substitute dv by dx as 1 minus dy by 1 minus dy by dv by dx equal to dy by dx. So 1 minus dv by dx is equal to v plus 3 divided by 2v plus 5. And getting all the things to one side, we can get 1 minus of v plus 3 divided by 2v plus 5 is equal to dv by dx. And after simplifying, we can get dv by dx is equal to, after taking LCM, we can get 2v minus v plus 5 plus 3. If you write this as 5 minus 3, you can get v plus 2 divided by 2v plus 5. And we can get this as 2v, 5 I am writing it as 4 plus 1 divided by v plus 2 equal to dx. Then after integrating, dv should also be, here dv should be there, equal to dx. After integrating this, 2v plus 4 by v plus 2 means 2 you can get. Integration of that will be 2v. And then 1 by y plus 2, that will be log of y plus 2. And RHS you can get x plus a constant c. So after simplifying, you can get this particular value as 2y minus x plus c equal to log of x minus y plus 2. Given differential equation dy by dx equal to 2x plus y plus 3 divided by x plus y, x plus 2y plus 1. It is given that small x is to be replaced with x plus h and small y is to be replaced with y plus k to convert the equation in homogeneous form. So we are writing this in the form of dy by dx is equal to 2x plus y plus 2h plus k plus 3 divided by x plus 2y plus h plus 2k plus 1. In the given equation, the equation should be in the form of 2x plus y by x plus 2y. That means these two terms should not be there. So from this we can say that 2h plus k plus 3 equal to 0 and h plus 2k plus 1 equal to 0. And if you solve these two, you can get h equal to minus 5 by 3, k is equal to 1 by 3. And you need to find out the value of k minus h, which is equal to 2. Solution to problem number 50. Now it is given 1 plus e power x by y dx plus e power x by y into 1 minus x by y dy equal to 0. So dx by dy is equal to minus e power x by y into 1 minus x by y divided by 1 plus e power x by y. Put x is equal to vy, implies dx by dy equal to v plus y dv by dy. So y dv by dy is equal to minus of e power v minus v divided by 1 plus e power v. And if you do the simplification, the change of variable, e power v divided by 1 plus e power v divided by e power v plus v dv is equal to minus dy by y. And after integrating this, if you integrate, what can we get is log of e power v plus v is equal to minus log y plus c. Get this log y to this side and you can write this c as log c. And if you get log y to this side, we can get e power x by y plus x by y into y is equal to c. So we can get this as y into e power x by y plus x is equal to c, which is the solution.